Now let us study the color wheel basics. How to choose the right color on your artwork. First, we have hue. Hue is the color itself, the name that we give to a color. Value. Value is the lightness or darkness of a color as measured on a gray scale. So in terms of value, color can be divided into light colors and dark colors. Saturation or intensity. When we talk about intensity, we talk about the purity of the color. It is its saturation. Shade, tint, and tone. The darker version of the color is called a shade. Different shades of the color can be created by adding varying amounts of black to a color. The lighter version of the color is called tint. You can add white or pure hue to create different tints. Here, when you add gray to a color to create different tones of that color. Warm colors versus cool color. As the name suggests, remind us of sunlight and heat. Red, yellow, and orange are warm colors and look as if they are approaching us. These colors create very strong, dynamic mood and often makes you feel excited, happy, and even angry. Red, yellow, and blue are called the primary colors of pigment. This cannot be formed by combining any other colors. These are pure colors, and all others are derived from these. Orange, green, and violet are secondary colors. These are formed by the mixing of two or more primary colors. Red-orange, yellow-orange, yellow-green, blue-green, blue-violet, and red-violet are tertiary colors, since these are produced by the mixing of two or more secondary colors. Complementary colors. This scheme is made up of those colors that are opposite to one another on the color wheel. Just pick any color on the color wheel and trace its exact opposite. So if you choose orange-yellow, blue-violet would be its complementary color. Pure complementary colors can often look jarring. Too much contrast can hurt the eyes, so it's better to go for gradients of these colors to soften the look. Here, instead of choosing the opposite color on the wheel, you pick two colors that lie on the either side of the complement. So if you choose red-orange, blue-green, and red-orange, it would be together to make one split complementary color. Analogous colors are placed adjacent to one another on the color wheel. Take any three adjacent colors on the color wheel to try out this scheme. This color scheme is made up of three colors equally spaced on the color wheel. Create an isosceles triangle to choose any three colors for your artwork. Two pairs of complementary colors together create this scheme. Draw a rectangular shape across the color wheel to pick the four colors. This scheme balances out cool and warm colors. Monochromatic colors. This scheme is based on variations of a single color. The variations can be lighter and darker versions of that color. An achromatic color scheme is one that is colorless, using only blacks, whites, and grays. This creates a sophisticated and classic look, but since it is devoid of any color, it looks lifeless.